Inilunsad ng Bureau of Treasury ang 26 offering ng kanilang Retail Treasury Bonds o RTB26. Sa tema nitong pamana na panatag na bukas, ang nasabing investment ay mayroong gross interest rate na 4.625% kada taon. Safe at low risk din ang investment na ito dahil may backing ng national government. Sa minimum investment na 5,000 pesos, kikita ka na matutulungan mo pang lumago ang ekonomiya ng bansa.
RTB is the gift that keeps on giving, not only with the higher returns than conventional time deposits, but meron din pong psyche income since every peso investment goes a long way in supporting our economic recovery from the pandemic, creating jobs, and implementing livelihood programs.
Ang iikot na pera ay mapupunta para suportahan ang mga sektor na naapektuhan ng COVID-19 pandemic, infrastructure projects at refinancing ng mga existing debts.
Retail participation has steadily increased over the years, with the latest figures showing that individual investors hold 46% of outstanding corporate bonds in the Philippines. These figures are promising as they show that more and more Filipinos are getting into the habit of investing and becoming more financially savvy.
Maaaring mag-invest sa Development Bank of the Philippines, Land Bank of the Philippines, BDO Capital and Investment Corporation, BPI Capital Corporation, China Bank Capital Corporation, First Metro Investment Corporation, PNB Capital at Investment Corporation, and Union Bank of the Philippines. Maaari ring bisitahin ang RTB website. Sa OF Bank kung ikaw naman ay isang overseas Filipino worker o hindi naman kayo dumiretso sa bonds.ph app. Upang magkaroon ng mas maraming kaalaman tungkol sa RTB26, maaari kayong makibahagi sa kanilang virtual roadshows. Bisitahin lamang ang kanilang official Facebook page na Treasury PH. Rainiel Pawid, CLTV News.